Good morning, guys. How are you? Happy Saturday. This is gonna be one of the first weird, I don't know what to call them, but I'll be clocking in a lot on social media than before. Last week Friday, I got into a car accident. And for those who are waiting for me in Secunda, that's why I couldn't make it. And I'm sure they told you it was a proper near-death experience. The car, they're still sorting it out. And of course, it's so many issues with that because sponsored car. But anyway, my near-death experience taught me, and thank God, let me say this, thank God for the brand new Jayco car. It saved my life. Let me just say that. I don't think if that accident happened in any car that was...
Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi celebrity stories, and namhlanje sikhuluma ngendaba ngemnandi bakithi. Sikhuluma ngoCeleste Ntuli, a comedian wase-KZN. Well guys, usharileke bakithi washo ukuthi ke last week she had car accident and it was nearly death situation or experience. Uthi ucishe wafa ke ubonga khona ukuthi ke she was driving leya moto ke kade ke a driver ke imoto ke ilimele bakithi, ilimele kakhulu, kodwa ke ngicabanga ukuthi ke it was not beyond repairs ngoba nangithi ke iyalungiswa, but naye futhi ke ubona ngazi ukuthi cha azange azalimali ukuthi nje it's a shock ke guys. Abantu ema comment section bakithi bathi cha babonga nje impilo, Nkosi yami babonga impilo, bekuzoba indaba ezibuhlungu ngempela if bekhona okuzokwenzekile kuyena ke uCeleste Ntuli. But bamthanda kakhulu, akasiye kumuntu active kangako ku social media, uposta ama video akhe ethini but ke she decided to share with us ukuthi cha bakithi cishe wafa kodwa ke uyaphila, and ke nathi sibonga impilo bakithi. Impilo ibaluleke kakhulu ke, impilo yomuntu. So yeah guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Do share your comment on the comment section. Bye.